In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your TFT display in your built-in or combi unit. The display at the top of the fridge has 3 white stems that extend through the top, so you will need to pull the top panel down. Once the top panel is down, you'll be able to feel the 3 stems, and they are all secured with a black grommet. In order to remove the display, you will loosen the black grommets on all 3 stems until completely removed. Once they are completely removed, you can pry under with your fingers to pull the display out of its housing.